Okay, so number 11 here says determine the volume of the shape below. Okay, so the formula is volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, and you can simply just substitute in 2 for the radius and 8 for the height, and just work that out and see what that gives you. Okay, we can do it quickly actually. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 8 is 32, so 32 over 3 pi inches cubed. Okay, so that's that. Now for this next part, this question down here, let's say 12, you decide to generalize the example above by doing the following. Let r be the radius, okay, so instead of 2, let's say we use r, let h be the height, and let v be the volume, okay, and it says let the height be 4 times the length of the radius. So let the height be 4 times the length of the radius, okay, so that's also there. Then it says A, determine a volume for V in terms of H, leave your answer as an exact value. Okay, so the volume is V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared H, and it leaves it, and it says to leave your answer as an exact value in terms of H. That means that like right now we have V in terms of R and H, we just need H in there. Okay, so if we only want H, well, of course, that means we need to have R in terms of H. So we almost have it, but we just need to get r by itself. So that would be divide 4 on both sides. We can say r is equal to h over 4. Okay, so substitute that in to r, which is h over 4 squared times h. And that would give us h over 4 squared is h squared over 16 times h. And that's 1/3 pi h cubed over 16. And perhaps that can be written in a nicer way. It's pi h cubed over 48. Okay, so for part B, it says rearrange the formula so that h is in terms of v. Okay, so leave your answer as an exact value. So essentially, we want to get h over here by itself. Okay, so what we need to do, let's just start by rewriting this maybe. Okay, v is equal to pi h cubed over 48. Okay, so we can get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by 48. So we have 48v is equal to pi h cubed. Then simply divide both sides by pi. Okay, the pi's cancel on the right side. Okay, and then take the cubed root. Okay, so if we do that, we'd get therefore h is equal to the cubed root of 48v over pi. And here we have essentially done what the question asked for, which is get h in terms of v. And